All right, track day. I'm a little under the weather, but let's kill it. Let's run a fast time. Let's go fast. We're going to go fast. I want to be fast. Power shift. It's time. It's time. It's just time. It's time. It's 7:30. Gotta get to the track. All right. See ya. Track's like an hour drive. Not bad. So we're here, and I failed to realize that this is pretty much an import event, but that's okay. And my dude Tom is behind me. I don't know if you can see him because, well, my window tint is so dark, people don't even know who's driving my car. They think it's like some celebrity. Limo tint. My tint's so bright. Oh God, I already fucked the joke up. My tint's so dark because my future's so bright. Fuck. Alright. We're going racing today! We're going racing! Alright, so it's Anna's first time in a car going down the drag strip. It's my first time on drag radials, and I haven't been to the track in 6 years. Well, okay, I haven't ran my car at the track in 6 years. This will be interesting. My friend Tom's on the sidelines. He's got his camera. What? I'm recording.
I know, you have an eyelash. Your eyes.
Oh my God. My girlfriend or my mom, I don't know. I'm just kidding. Are you filming?
Yep.
Oh. Well, ran 12.4. I only got one run in. 60 foot was 2.0, trap speed 116. Not thrilled with my 60 foot, and I was pissed off we only got one run, but I think I said that in the previous clip. And now we're gonna go cruise. Wash the car. And that's it for today for drag racing. Another day. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Please thumbs up. If you don't thumbs up, then just watch the next video.